Thank you sa surprise and not expecting na ganito kabongga and so much love and care and supportive husband. Even may mga ups and downs, still the grace of God, yung love natin, still holding on. Thank you very much, Nadine. Love you so much. Mwah.
Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass.
Good morning. Good morning po, ma'am. Surprise po. Happy anniversary po.
Thank you.
Kamusta po? May idea po ba kayo? Kanina galing itong pa-surprise sa inyong anniversary? Kanina po?
Sa asawa ko po. Ayun,
Saan mo si sir ngayon?
sa ano po?
Okay. So, happy anniversary
Thank you.
po. Dahil anniversary mo, meron din po kayong anniversary balloon. Siyempre, may kasama din po itong anniversary niyo. Pero bago ko po mambasahin, pakilala po muna kami.
Sige po.
Yan. Kami nga po pala ang Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Ma'am Junor, nandito po kami upang gawing extra special ang inyong anniversary. Happy anniversary po! To my loving wife, happy anniversary. I am so blessed in the Lord for having you. 14 years have passed and has always been full of your warmth and care. May the Lord bless our relationship with good health, joy, and peace in His presence. I love you so much, Daddy. Happy anniversary!
Thank you.
Kamusta, ma'am? Na-surprise po ba?
Oo nga eh.
Anong masasabi mo kay sir nung nanood po siya?
What? Daddy? Daddy, thank you sa surprise and not expecting na ganito kabongga and so much love and care and supportive husband. Even may mga ups and downs, still the grace of God, yung love natin, still holding on. Thank you very much, Nadine. Love you so much. Mwah.
Ayan. Happy anniversary, ma'am. Pwede po ba kami bumati sa iyo, ma'am? Sa iyo po, Ma'am Leonor and Sir Harvey, binabati po namin kayo ng happy anniversary. Stay together forever in long-lasting relationship. Happy anniversary po!
Thank you.
And lastly po sa aming center kay Sir Harvey, all the way from abroad. Sir, in behalf of Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery, lubos po kami nagpapasalamat kasi kami po ang inyong napili upang hatid po itong surprise para po sa araw ng inyong anniversary ni Ma'am Leonor. Ipagpatuloy lang pong pagmamahal sa isa't isa at lagi po kayo mag-ingat dyan sa abroad. God bless po sa iyo, sir. Sa iyo po, ma'am. Happy anniversary. Have a nice day po, ma'am.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone